This is nothing. Just a random freaking snow freaking storm.
And it's snowing.
Just a big freaking snowstorm in the middle of Nebraska that just came from nowhere. Look at all this ice, guys.
I can't see.
Yo, this shit is turning into what the hell is? Can y'all see the road? This is supposed to be a 2-lane road.
I feel like this one of the roads when everybody crash into each other.
This is not the kind of. Why would you say that?
Hey, you know them roads?
Why would you say that?
You know them roads? Do you know them roads? Hey, babe, put the defrost on.
Jesus Christ, man.
Put the defrost on, bro.
It's on, baby.
Oh my.
You guys, ain't nobody else on this road except for this one pickup truck that just passed. Why? You could tell that I'm shook.
I'm scared.
I'm shook at.
Oh shit.
You're a truck driver. You're never scared. Tighten up, man. You got it.
Put on the defrost all the way. All the way in the defrost.
It's all the way. It's on. You got all these things on the window. That's why.
Take them down. Take them down. I can't see.
You guys, this is sick. We literally made this vlog look.
Oh, Father.
Look at this, guys. Oh my God, we're in a blizzard, fam.
It's turned to one road.
This is supposed to be 2 lanes. If you don't dare drive on that lane, guy, you're gonna slide. It's gonna be Slide Nation for real.
Oh man.
We're in a freaking blizzard, people. What the heck is happening right now?
What did we just drive into, man?
Hell.
It was just
frozen hell.
It was all good just a minute ago.
Oh shit. I told you the damn weather radar said what it said. Look at this, guys. I gotta show y'all. Bruh, we just recorded a video with you guys. It was gray outside, but there was, oh my.
I see Frosty the Snowman. Woo! He got the Reaper stick. He got the Reaper stick. Oh, Jesus.
You gotta just, Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Turn to one road.
What's worse is these roads are not even like, dog, this shit icy, man.
I'm on I-80 right now, not knowing where I'm going.
But the part is, we just did a video about vlogs. I'm sorry. We just did a vlog about the worst weather.
This is the worst weather.
We also did a vlog right now about the increase in pay for Stevens. And I was talking about, I think we mentioned the weather, but it was gray, but it was gloomy. And we said that the I-80 was shut down. Why are we still driving towards the I-80 or on the I-80?
Gotta get them miles. Gotta get them miles, you know? Gotta cover the miles. You feel me? I got about 10,000 miles under my belt. You know them guys be saying they got 1,000,000 miles on their belt? I got like 10,000 miles under my belt.
You got way more than 10,000. You got like 100,000, fam.
I know.
I'm like, I was like, I ain't with no rookie, but I can't be with no rookie in this weather.
I'm scared. I'm shook. I'm shook right now.
Nah, this one road though, and this. But what's worse is our road disappearing.
Just tell them I-80 is shut down right now. Just send it out that memo. I-80 is shut down.
We're gonna try to upload this today.
We're gonna upload it right now.
Hey, bro, you coming on the side a little bit, and I don't like that.
The road dirty, man. We need the guys to come on here.
Yeah, but you over here trying to get on the right, babe. Don't do that.
What are you talking about, bro? The road. I'm in the middle right now.
Are you sliding a little?
Slip, slide.
Hey. Fuck it up.
I don't know where I am.
Oh, that's reassuring for me. I feel very safe right now. No, I don't.
But everybody's smart though. Everybody behind me.
Everybody going this way. I mean, the other way, the opposite way.
We can't even see.
We can't even see nothing.
Don't worry, guys. We got it on the GoPro.
Yeah, we got a GoPro right there.
It's gonna tell you what's happening.
And hopefully the GoPro don't got nothing to tell you, dog, because I'm gonna be real sad.
Oh my God.
Do y'all see these roads? This road is supposed to be clear, guys.
I-80 got it shut down, boy.
I don't know. Oh my God. getting worse and worse.
We're gonna shut it down. How far are we?
Oh no, I ain't put it in my GPS.
What?
Oh no, I'm lying. I did put it in my GPS. I'm sorry.
Why wouldn't you?
We are 12 miles.
All right, we're gonna shut down to 12 miles, guys. We're not foolish. No load is worth your life. Remember that. No load is worth your life.
Shit, you ain't gotta tell me. Over
no
here
load is worth your life.
Gotta get the miles by any means necessary.
Nah.
You better got not.
Nah, we're gonna shut it down, guys. We didn't do that much miles today.
Shut it down. We did. Didn't we do like 400 something?
Listen. This is what I'm saying. Put a camera on me. Please put the camera on me. Please.
I'm happy he said.
Come on,
please.
cameraman.
I am a camera woman. Give me my gender appropriate identification, please.
Come on, man. Listen, what I'm saying. No load is worth your life. Can you like make sure don't shake it?
Sorry, man.
Get on me. I'm driving in the snow right now.
I don't know why you looking at them anyways. You better look straight and talk to the people.
No road is.
He said as he slipped right off the road from trying to talk to y'all.
No load is worth your life.
No vlog is worth your life.
And one more thing is, you might lose the battle, but you can win the war.
Bruh, we've been in war in America for years. I'm not even from here, dog.
What
actually, no, I am from here. I got my citizenship, so I don't want to say that in case they
Nope, she's illegal. ICE! Somebody call ICE!
That's not funny. Do you know people are really affected by ICE? We don't take that for jokes.
Right,
Everyone who's been affected by ICE, we're praying for you when it comes to our minds. But we do wish you the best. Oh my God, it's so cold.
Hey, I got the window down. Huh?
Keep it down.
Why?
Just keep it down. See,
I told you Frosty out there. I ain't fucking with Frosty. Hell no.
We gotta go.
Peace.
We gotta go pay attention to what we're doing.
Yeah, we gotta go find a safe haven. So, hey.
Bye, guys.
Be safe, guys. Don't drive on naughty roads. Bye.
Bye.